Hello, good morning, children. After the reformation in literature, now there is the rise of Indian National Congress, that is the INC. It was founded by Evo Hume, retired British officer, in the year 1885, and it was the first political party in India. Now, who are the famous leaders? Dadabhai Nauroji is the famous leader. Gopal Krishna Gokule, Surendranath Banerjee, and so on. This is the rise of Indian nationalism, children. Now, what is the demand of the Indian National Congress to the British? Freedom of speech and expression. Freedom of speech and expression by allowing Indians to publish their views in the newspaper and magazines freely. That was the first demand. Second one was the members of the municipal councils to be elected by the people instead of the British government. Members of the municipal council to be elected by the people, not by the British government. Then the money for hospitals and schools should be given. Fourth one, to know how revenue was being spent by the government, how they spend, how do they expenditure, what is the expenditure, what are the amounts spent by the government. They should know. These are the demands of the Indian INC, that is the Indian National Congress. That is the first one is the freedom of speech. Second one is the members of the council, municipal councils to be elected by the people, not by the British. Money for the hospitals and schools, and to know how revenue was being spent by the government. This is about the rise of Indian nationalism. Dadabhai Nauroji was one of the member of the INC, that is the Indian National Congress. It was founded by Evo Hume, a retired British officer, in the year 1885. And these are the demands of the Indian National Congress. That is the freedom of speech, members of the municipal council to be elected by the people, money and hospitals should be provided, money for the hospitals and the schools should be provided, to know the expenditure of the government. Thanks, children.